Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Oh, the last few days have been absolutely beautiful, and today is going to be beautiful. They're saying, actually, Bob Harlan, his weather report, is saying high of 74 here today in Sutter County, California. All right, enough of the weather, enough Al Roker. Last night, I did a highly modified chicken and wild rice casserole. Started with actual wild rice, not a packet, not a box, real wild rice. Yes, it was good, highly modified, herbs, spices. The only thing it was missing, and I realized it afterwards, this was basically some kind of, it was partially a pantry thing that I did because I added some veggies to it, and it was mushrooms, which actually got me to change one of the recipes for next week. Yes, but more of that later. Today is a culinary expedition day. Today we're in Niger, Niger, where I'm going to be preparing Dounguouri Soko. This is I made this into a vegetarian stew. It's got white beans and plenty of vegetables, all kinds of veggies. Yummy. This is going to be a good one. Looking forward to this. Beans have been soaking since yesterday. So yeah, could be fun. What does your weekend plans look like? For us, tomorrow night is hot dogs and fries. And Sunday, I'm doing a Southwest chili, my recipe. So yeah, we're going to have some fun over the weekend. Doing the chili before it becomes too warm. But I think chili is good all year round, personally. So yeah, that's what I've got going for the weekend. So with that, have a great day on this fantastic Friday. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.